Hello everybody and happy Monday. Welcome to another crafting week. So I thought we'd continue to do some bits and bobs for my pre-Raphaelite journal. So on Thursday we did some nice edgings, and I thought what I'd do today is add some texture, show sort of thing that I do to add some texture to tags that you will find in your digital kits. I mean, sometimes if I don't want any great thickness to a journal, then obviously I'll just back these. These are from from Romantic Letters, and usually I will back them and put them in a pocket if we just want a very, very thin volume. But because we've got 4 signatures, we've got a bit of leeway there, a bit of bulk. I thought it'd be nice to put a little bit of texture on them. So what I'm going to do this time is I've got a little selection. What I tend to do is make these button snips. I've got a box full of them here. Good way of using your scraps, and I just layer them up with different layers of fabric. And on these I've just put a little flower on the top, and some of these I've layered up and put buttons on, some vintage buttons. Sometimes I do a bit of slow stitch on it, and I'm going to add a little bit to these tags that go with the kit. So I've got a little selection here. Now, I mean, such as her, bless her, she's, you know, she's got a lot going on there. So you won't necessarily want to put something too big on there. But I thought something, a little bit of this at the bottom would be quite nice, I think. Just to, we could put it on the bottom of a dress, couldn't we? Or do we want it there? I quite like it there, actually. So I'm going to use 3-in-1, which is nearly the same as Fabri-Tac. It's made by Beacon Glue, which is the same manufacturers as Fabri-Tac. I bet there ain't much in it, you know. So let's put that on there. My phone's doing some dinging. And what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to use my little punch, my little slick punch, and in the middle I'm just going to put, you can put a little bit of ribbon or something through there. I don't know till we know how we're going to put it in the journal. Right, what have we got next? It's coming out the top already. It's a new glue. Stop it. Right, we've got this one. Now this one, I'm immediately drawn to this. Do I want it at the top there? No. I think I want it down there. I really like that, so we're going to have that on there. They stick pretty well. You don't really need too much in way of glue on them, and just takes a little while longer to grab with the with this glue than art glitter glue does. But because there's loads of layers, I prefer to use my 3-in-1 or Fabri-Tac if I've got it. Right, now then, now this one, let's have a look. I've just got a few out that I thought might go nice. And you see how we've got the lovely, that looks nice on there. You see, that's quite a plain tag. So you can see how I've got different textures of, and it's another great way to use your scraps up. And oh yeah, I've got thousands of buttons. Thousands. I was supposed to be having a small bag off eBay and ended up with 1,000. You know what I'm like for my misjudging sizes. There we go. I'm just going to put that down on there. Just gives it a little bit of extra interest. and gives them a bit of texture. As you know me, I'm all for my texture. That's a nice one. And they're, you know, a quick make. If you have them already, I mean, the other thing is that you can, you know, you can just spend a couple of hours making a box full of these different button trims. Now that's got some nice flowers on that. Again, I think that goes nice. Do we need anything else with it? I want to put both those on because you've got those colours in that spray of flowers, so we'll do that. And also you can use up little snippets of ribbon that you've got left. I don't tend to buy too much ribbon now. I tend to buy mainly seam binding, you know, different coloured. I'm not a big ribbon fan. Now let's have a look. I'll put that on like that. And can you see, it's sort of, it makes the tags. Because sometimes as well, some of the kits have got background tags, and then they, you know, you want to decorate them with something. Just, that's nice. Let's have a look what else we have. Right then, I like this. Look at this button. That button, gorgeous. I feel as if I want. Oh, I like it at the top of there, but there's a bit too much fabric just on the end. I'm just gonna cut a bit off. Don't move it down there. Now I like it at the top actually, so we don't need to put. I don't need to put a slit at the top of this one. I'll just hold that down a couple of minutes. So, oh, you're all doing well. I had a good weekend. It's a bit drizzly here today. Like that. I love that. So pretty, that button. That's that one. Now then, let's see. See, we've got a big coin on there with some sort of princess or whatever on there, I think. And that's got some blue in it. And that might be a bit of an overkill. Trying to think. Now then, that goes quite nice. And that, I'm not sure now. That one, I think that one's probably a bit too big. I haven't used my button trims for ages. I seem to be finding now all things I've not done for ages, and thought, oh yeah, let's use them. I haven't used them for ages. There we go, that's nice. Now then, let's see, I'm a bit stumped with, oh, I like that. I'm just going to trim this off a little bit. I know it's quite modern fabric, but I quite like that in the middle there. Yeah. My glue's coming out everywhere. Put across there. I put a bit too much glue on that because there was only one layer. Getting it everywhere. That's lovely, isn't it? Really like that. Now, we've got those few left. Let's have a look. I have got I've got another lot of tags. These ones, they lend themselves, you can see where they've had the wax seals on. I mean, I haven't got a wax seal. Let's just take these two off, see what we can do with these. We can just finish these off with those that I've already got out. Okay, so I've just cut these three. These were in the same kit. Now then, like that. We're covering some of what's already there, but I mean, you can always print it out again. That's the beauty of using digitals, isn't it? You can print it out as many times as you like. Right, I'm going to stick that like that. I'm just going to put a touch under there. Probably put too much on there. That's it. Put my... Now then, these two, let's see. So you could put that on there. No, I don't like that, that's too orange. No. Could quite like that on there. And that one, I think, yeah, I think I like that one on it. So we'll do those two. See how quick and easy they are if you've already got your, you know, you could do it with any sort of clusters. If you know, if you don't want buttons on them, you can just make loads of, which way do I want it, like that, scraps of fabric. But I do like to have it with little bits of different textures on. Just makes it look a bit different. And I think these, you know, these are a little bit plain, these tags for me. I'm not a frou-frou girl, but these are a bit plain, so to me these just liven them up a bit. Let's just make sure we haven't got glue everywhere. I just want to snip that corner down there. Right. Ooh, I'm excited now for those. Let me just finish these off. I have got to back them because they I think need some backing on because they're very white. So I shall do that off camera. So let's have a look what we've got. These are all different sizes. There we go. So that was a quick and easy Makes Monday, wasn't it? So thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a go yourself. So if you've got some tags that you just want to add a bit of interest to them, or you want to give it a bit of texture, then, you know, think about doing some little button clusters. And I think, you know, they've not been a hard thing to do, but I think they've made these look really pretty. So thanks for joining me, and yeah, let me know if you're going to make some of these, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.